how this tastes. I have had onion tea before, but I've never added so many strong components like the ginger and the garlic. If I do onion tea, it's usually onion and I'll do lemon. I've done onion with lemon, but I've never incorporated the ginger and the garlic, you know, all of it in one tea. So this is going to be one really strong tea. And I'm curious to know what it's going to taste like because there's no sugar or honey called for in the recipe. If you must add it, I guess you can, but preferably I would say not. So let's see what it tastes like. It's very hot. It smells really good. You can smell the lemon. That's really good, actually. Really good. I wonder what my husband's reaction is going to be with this flavor or all these tastes. It's really good. I hope you guys give it a try, especially if you have someone at home that's symptomatic with fever and we're quarantined at home. So go ahead and give it a shot. It does not taste bad at all. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to check out the orange peel tea, which was uploaded in this series of teas that I started during this COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.